Hello everyone, today I am going to introduce to you how to troubleshoot SI23 fault. First, before troubleshooting any fault, you need to check the last fault status. Start by checking C01 parameters group. In this group, you will find all the necessary information about the fault, such as fault type, voltage and current, and other relevant data. Adjust both acceleration and deceleration times to reduce overload. Ensure inverter and motor power match. Monitor C00.02 to check if the inverter's output current exceeds the motor's rated current. Motor parameter settings. Set motor parameters based on the motor nameplate. For software version 6907 and 6908, set F0501 to F0506 parameters. Overload protection adjustment. For software version 6907 and 6908, increase the F10.16 motor overload protection curve coefficient. For software version 6920, increase the F10.59 motor overload protection curve coefficient. Factory reset. For software version 6907 and 6908, restore factory setting with F00.19 to set 1. For software version 6920, restore factory setting F0003 to set 22. Here is the simple flow chart for troubleshooting SI23 faults, and these are the parameter settings I used in this video. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot. If issues persist, consult the manual or seek for further assistance. Thanks for watching.